Welcome to my channel and greetings from Germany. Today I want to show you my ultimate backpack for traveling. I also got me a new tripod from Ballhead. And of course, as always, please subscribe, like and ring the bell. First, let's come to the unpack. I ordered the new tripod at Amazon. I got the CT5C plus 52Q. Well, it's a long name, but I guess it's worth it because you get an excellent tripod for that. It's in something like a little black sport bag or something I got earlier in school. In the package we have the tripod, something dry, stupid stuff, a little extra bag, small extra feet, in another small bag in the big pack. It's a little bit tricky to get them out. And at least a small pack with screws and a small hook. You can attach something heavy to the tripod, so it will be more stable. Let's have a closer look to the Ballhead. Well, it's not so tightened here because I just unpacked it, but it looks and feels pretty solid. The feet are made of carbon and they're locked up tight, and you can unlock them with just a little turn. You can also adjust and lock the angle of the feet right here. Every single feet can easily screwed off to be replaced with the smaller feet to make it just a little table tripod. Even the small feet are extendable. At the end of the middle pole there's a small screw you can screw in and screw out to attach also the hook. Within a few seconds you can also get away from the tripod and build your own monopod out of all the accessories you got within. Just mount the middle pole to one single feet. And you will get a very long monopod. But you need strong arms for this. Okay, let's get to the backpack itself. what do I have in my backpack? First, I got my Sony DSC RX100 Mark VII with a little extra handle. I also got some extra batteries in here. Here I got more accessories for the Sony. I got some more batteries, I got the charging pot, I got another grip, and small things to get it and hold it clean. Another small tripod, a small extra pole, of course I got my GoPro in here. Here it's the GoPro 7 because I'm filming with the 8 right now. Also some batteries, clamp, remote control. I also got my little Turns Pro, which I got on eBay for a few weeks ago. Pretty nice for time-lapse recordings. I got my wireless Go from Rode. The heart of all is my DJI Mavic 2 Pro with the Hasselblad lens. Of course, we got another battery and the remote controller. Next thing are some small cables and my Crane M2 for as well as the GoPro and the Sony. Well, that's so much for it. That's my ultimate backpack. One little thing I also have in here is of course my insurance for the DJI Mavic and a big power bank because all of these electric stuff needs to be recharged on the go. We got normal USB fast charge, normal USBs, USB-C, Lightning, and of course it's full. And that's so much for everything I have in my ultimate travel backpack for video and photography. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please come back to my channel and wait for the next one.